Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I have something special for you. Your word of the day is trust. Trust the process, Capricorn. As they say in certain parts of the world, stay down until you come up. That means stay consistent until your breakthrough happens. Consistency is key. Trusting the process, trusting the timing. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ has you in the right place, the right time, and you're going to excel at the right moment. So don't worry about the when and how. Just continue to trust and put in the proper work that you have been doing. I trust my life and my strengths. Each moment guides me to my light. Everything on my path is placed there for my growth. When you grow and you become wiser, that means bigger blessings can come your way. Nothing is happening to you. It's happening for you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.